I'll do it for you now. Okay, go and play. I'll do it for you now. All right?
Do it again.
I will. I'll keep it going. I'm taking a pause. It's high intensity workout.
Got wet.
What? So here's the thing, Dodge. In order to watch television successfully or play our games, you need to keep this above the red. Otherwise the television goes off. Go ahead, run, 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 run in place, run in place. Go, 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 faster, 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 faster. Go, 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 keep going, Dodge. Both pads, both pads. Yes. Go, faster, faster, get the green all the way up. Get the green all the way up.
That's the only way to get the TV on.
Get the green all the way up.
Why?
Well, because if it goes below the red, then you won't be able to play your video games. Faster, faster.
Look at the TV.
I'll
It's
help
coming
you.
on.
Okay. Go sit down now. Enjoy your game.
All right, you got it on. Go sit down.
What? If green is coming off and the red is coming on.
Here you go,
All right,
Dodge.
hurry up. Play your game before
Play your
it goes
game
away.
until... Yeah. All right, Dodge, it's almost time to start running again. Oh boy, Dodge, the TV's gonna go off. You gotta run, run, run quickly.
I need your help.
Yeah, I'm helping. Go, go, go.
No.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster. You're sustaining. That's good. You're definitely sustaining. If you keep at that pace, the TV will be able to stay on.
Why?
I'll get you set up.
What is I'm doing?
All right, you got the TV on, Dodge. You did enough running.
Good job.
Okay,
All right, Dodge.
go play your game.
You want to play your game?
Green is coming off.
Once it starts getting into the red, though, you might definitely want to start doing your steps.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Go, run, 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 run. Faster, faster. Dodger, both pads, both pads.
I'm going fast.
Good job. You're in the green almost.
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 Why I need to do this?
Keep going,
The only way
Dodge.
to get the TV to work now. Isn't that crazy?
If you stop, you'll watch what happens. The TV's going to go off.
Huh? I'm going faster.
Keep going, Dodge.
I'm-
Two more lights. One. Oh!
Gotta go faster
Go,
if you
go,
want it back
fast, Dodge,
on.
faster. Gotta get the TV back on. You need help?
Yeah,
All right.
I need help.
Faster, Dodger. You're making Daddy do all the work.
Aubrey, why?
Keep going,
why the
Dodge.
lights are coming off?
Keep going. TV will come on. It's just slow to boot.
Why I don't want to wet?
Keep going. Keep going.
Why fast?
It's the only way to get the TV back on. See? The TV's starting again. Uh-oh.
I'm not moving.
You will.
I need your help. What? I need you to do it.
Well, if you want to play the games, you got to do it too.
I need you to do it.
Dodger, wait, what happened here? You do.
What?
All right, it's on.
Why the lights are coming?
TV might go off soon.
Dodger, you
Go ahead,
might
take
need to
fast.
run. Run, 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 fast, 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 faster, faster. Keep going fast.
White, I want a green. I see one. Why? Why? Why one, Mommy?
It's the only way to get the TV to work. Remember when our electricity went out? When it came back on, this is how it has to work now.
I need Daddy to do it.
Keep going, Dodger. You gotta keep the TV on. We're almost in the red. All right, keep going. Go with me. Go with me. Get it up to green. Faster, 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 faster. Keep going. Go, 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 go. It's almost there. Ah, we did it.
Why a wiper?
Go sit down.
Why a wiper come?
I don't know.
Why a wiper come?
Doing just that, Dodger, you were sustaining it. So if you keep doing that while you play, you will have the TV on forever.
I need to go. I'll try and beat up this one.
Oh, Dodger in the yellow. Keep going faster, 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 faster. Go, go, go.
I'm yellow.
Not even a green in sight. Go, go. There you go.
Mommy, I need help.
Oh, no.
I can't do it.
Max, help us.
Why your lights are coming on? I need Daddy's help again. Daddy!
Go, Dax, go, go, go,
Your
go.
help!
Uh-oh.
What?
Once those lights go to the red, it's gonna go off.
What? I need your help, Daddy.
I really want to, but I'm so tired.
I need your help.
Oh, video games are
I
exhausting,
need your
Dodger.
help. I need your help. I'm not winning.
Maybe you can get Aunt Jess help. All right, Daddy will help.
I'm not gonna make your videos.
Ah! I think.
Dodger, I admire your commitment to television.
I need your help.
That's okay, it's still in green.
Ah!
Just be wary when it gets to yellow.
I want yellow and green, not red.
No red.
Why? Why red? Why not red, Daddy?
No, you don't want it in the red. The red is when it gets to the dangers level.
I'll try. I need your help. I need your help.
You're in the green. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Oh wait, a red is on. A red is on. Why a red? No red! Red, come on!
All right, go ahead, Dodge. Play your game.
Why is coming on? Why coming on?
Dodge, play your game.
What?
It's okay. You can play your game now.
Are coming on.
They count down. It's a small window.
Uh-oh.
Hurry, Dodge.
I think why I need to do this.
Nice. Good ones. Get that green up. Get that green up there.
Why red means a TV can fall?
Well, because red means stop. Remember? Green means go. Yellow means slow. The red represents the danger area.
We want green and yellow.
Green and yellow work. Green and yellow continue to have consistent gameplay.
One. White. Oh no. I'm not yellow. No yellow.
Keep going. You've got it. You got it. You just got to go faster.
I need your help.
Go faster, faster, faster,
Help,
faster,
help.
faster.
I need somebody to help.
You got this.
I need your help. Help. I'm not with. The lights are still on. You see all the lights?
Keep going, Dodge. This way I can play.
You can't play.
Oh, if I knew how to play.
Just do it in another level.
Do another level.
Gotta keep the game on for Daddy, though.
Yellow.
I'm yellow now.
All right.
I'm green again.
This moves.
The lights are helping. The lights are helping.
The lights are helping.
Yeah.
Great.
Watch your way. I'm trying to get the TV working.
I think you're doing great, Dodge.
Look. I'm getting that TV working
You're doing it, buddy.
faster.
Yeah, look where it is.
Mommy! He's trying to get you. Go fast. Go faster.
Uh-oh, Dodge. You need to go faster.
Daddy, go faster. You need to go faster. So your wife's turning off.
Uh-oh.
What? What, Daddy? What?
What do you mean, what?
Maybe I'm red now.
What?
Maybe I'm red now.
Red means what? What does red mean?
I'm,
Oh!
I need
All right, Dodge. I'll do it for you now. Okay, go and play. I'll do it for you now. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Do it again.
I will. I'll keep it going. I'm taking a pause. It's high intensity workout.
Got red.
Max, you want to help?
I think you play again. You play again.
I play? And you're gonna do?
Yes.
Wow. You want to exercise?
Yes. I think Mommy,
Yeah, bub.
that green mushroom will look like Luigi.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Good job, buddy. I'm able to play now.
I think help.
You're helping Daddy.
You're a big help. Keep that green light up there.
Your turn.
My turn? My turn?
Yes.
Okay. That's right. What happened?
Do it.
It's in the green, Dodge.
Do it. The lights are turned on.
What?
Lights are turned off.
Those ones are turning off?
Yeah.
Why are they doing that?
lights are turning off because it didn't go to red. It didn't go to red.
So Dodge, what is it that happens when it goes to red?